My name is Sajni and I am 9 years old. I have created a program in Python where the radius is given and the Python finds out the area and the circumference. Let's run it now. So the area of the circle with the radius at 7 is 153.958 and the circumference of the circle with the radius at 7 is 43.988. How did this happen? First, I have defined circumference area. You can define functions to provide the required functionality with def. R is the parameter or the argument. It is radius. The formula for area is pi r square. Pi is basically 3.142 or 22 by 7. The formula for circumference is 2 pi r. Pi in this case also is 3.142. I have asked Python to print it saying the area of the circle with the radius as I've asked it to print the radius 7 is area. So what is the area? 153.958 as it calculates. Then for the circumference, I've asked it to print the circumference of the circle with the radius as the radius, which is 7, is the circumference, which is 43.988. Circumference and area are both variables. Finally, I have called the defined variable, which is circumference area. And the radius I have given in the bracket is 7. Don't know geometry yet? Python is always there to help. Thank you.